Hey everybody, my name is Jay English and I'm the guy formerly known as the pastor of Youth and Community Outreach. And we have here with me...
Hey, I'm Jason Mims, formerly known as the pastor for Family Life Ministries. Now more known as the Congregational Care Pastor.
That's right. And I'm moving over into the next gen pastoral role. And I know you're like, what does that mean? Obviously, there's a lot of change going on at the church. You know, Bishop is stepping into that next level. We've got Pastor Marcus who's moving up into our senior pastoral role. And that means that we've got to move around a little bit too. So I'm going to be overseeing the nursery, Planet 345, Real Kids, Youth Evolution, as well as Link Generation. Looking to try to just streamline all of that, make sure our transitions are strong, and that young people from basically birth all the way up through young adult are able to walk in the gifts they have and have the support they need in each area. On the flip side, Pastor Jason has a laundry list of ministries that he's overseeing. You want to tell them a little bit about some of what you're doing?
It's only a couple.
So yeah, it's only about 2 or 3.
Hundred. Under congregational care, we obviously have our funerals, we have our baptisms, we have baby dedications that come into play, visiting and working with Stephen's ministry and the sick and shut in. But then we also are continuing to work with our other ministries. So we have men's ministry, we have our life groups, we have our Silver Saints, we have now women's ministry, prisons ministry, health and healing.
Everybody.
Yeah, pretty much. If it's a ministry that focuses on building relationships with other people and becoming stronger together, then more together than we are apart, then I have a hand in working with those amazing leaders.
Look, I told him, I feel like I should be doing more. I looked at my list, which to me felt like a lot, and then he named his off, and I'm like, I'm slacking.
It's okay. It's okay.
Y'all pray that God blesses him with more strength. I like my list at this point. So we just want to let you all know just want to let you know of the changes that are coming up and some of the things you're going to see coming into play effective March 22nd.
Yeah, March 22nd is when we're actually making the transition. So that's why we're down here in Real Kids right now doing the big switch.
That's it. We're handing off, but again, we want you to know care is being given. We love what we do here and love the opportunity to serve in ministry. But we wanted to give that information so that you would know as you start possibly seeing me coming down the slide in children's church, or you see Pastor Jason running and diving into the baptismal pool, you'll understand why some of these things are happening.
So continue to pray for our leadership, continue to pray for the wisdom on how we lead, and the love in which we lead with, and the ministries in which we serve, and that's it, we serve over.
Amen. Amen. So y'all, and continue to pray for Pastor Jason and his 5011 ministries that he has. We love you guys, and we will see you around. Take care.